Did you know that soil health and crop density can predict future food security? But how can we monitor them efficiently? With story.mapog.com, we can transform raw data into insightful maps, helping farmers, researchers, and policymakers make informed decisions, and the process is effortless. Let's break it down. First, go through story.mapog.com and create a new map with proper name and description. Upload CSV file through Upload CSV Excel files containing essential data, soil type, crop density, and more. Next, transform scattered data into structured regions using the Points into Polygons tool and process data, making it easier to visualize. Then, perform a joining operation with Spatial Join tool. Here I've submitted the polygon layer as main layer and crop monitoring point data as joining layer, and selected the joining operation as intersects and saved it as a new layer using one-to-many, merging soil and crop data to enhance analysis. Finally, after this, I duplicated the same layer using Action button and renamed them as soil type layer and crop density layer. By applying a category style to soil types and a quantity style to crop density, we created an insightful, easy-to-read map. But why does this matter? As you can see, for mung bean soil type 2 is providing more crop density than soil type 3. With GIS-powered soil and crop monitoring, we can optimize irrigation, improve yields, and combat food insecurity, saving time, money, and resources. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime. Thank you for using MAPOG.